Okay, good evening students. We are coming to the next topic, that is conversion of binary to decimal number system. Okay, now in this video we are going to see how to convert binary number system to decimal number system. Okay, so some example is given over here. This is a binary number, this is the way we write, and this is the base value of binary number, and we have to find out what will be the decimal value of this binary number. Okay, now we will see the rules first. So according to rules, to convert a binary number into equivalent decimal number, follow the steps given below. Starting from the extreme right digit, okay, we should always start from the right side. Okay, this is the extreme right. Okay, after writing the binary number, you have to start from the right side, extreme right digit of the binary number, multiply each binary digit with its positional value. Okay, extreme right, and then multiply each binary digit, multiply. Okay, what you have to do, we have to start from the extreme right digit of the binary number and multiply each binary digit with its positional value. Now what is the positional value? 2 is the positional value, so we have to multiply these values with 2, which is written in the form of power of 2. Okay, which is going to be written in the form of power of 2. So increase the power by 1 as you move right to left. Okay, so as we are going to move from right side to the left side, the power will get increased. So in the extreme right, you can see it is 0 over here, then again it will move, it will become 1, then it will become 2, and then 3, and so on. So you have to keep on changing by 1 as we move from right to the left, and keep the base fixed, and the base will remain fixed, that it will remain 2 itself while converting any binary value. After that, calculate the sum of the product and get the decimal. So after that, we will calculate the sum of this particular product and we will get the answer. So we are going to see here, like I have done one example. So this is a binary value like 1001 to the base 2. Now we have to find out the decimal of this particular digit. So what I will do, I will write the binary numbers like this. I'll write it separately with some distance in between two numbers. After that, right from the extreme right side, I'll take 2, the base of the binary number, and I will give the power to this binary to this base values. So I will start the power from 0. Always we have to start the power from 0. So it will become 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. Okay, and so on. If there will be any more digits, then you will write more values in the same way repeatedly. Now what you have to do, after writing this, you have to multiply the binary numbers to the base value and the power. So what you will do, you will multiply 1 into 2 to the power 0. In the same way, you are going to multiply these values also. So 0 into 2 to the power 1, 0 into 2 to the power 2, 1 into 2 to the power 3. Okay, after doing this, we are going to multiply these values. Now we should always remember 2 to the power 0 in binary values. Whenever 2 to the power is 0, then it will always become 1. Okay, so if I am multiplying 1 into 2 to the power 0, then it will become 1. 0 into 2 to the power 1, it will become 0. 0 into 2 to the power 2, it will become 0. Why? Because any value. Now how we are going to multiply this, like 2 to the power 0, so it will, what it will become, it will become 1, it will become 1 into 2 to the power 0 means it will become 1. Okay, so 1 into 1, it will become 1. Now 2 to the power 1 means it will become 2. So 0 into 2. So 0 into 2 is what? It will become 0. In the same way, you have to multiply this 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 means you have to multiply 2 3 times. So what it will become? 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So it will become 8 and 8 into 1. So 8 ones are 8. After getting these values, you have to add all these values, and after adding it will become 9. So what will be the binary value of what will be the decimal value of this particular binary digit? It will be 9. Okay, so this is one of the easiest method in which you can solve it. One more method is there, like suppose this is the binary value. Okay, now we have to convert this binary digit into decimal digit. So what I will do, I will create a box like this. Okay, in this box, in the first row I will write binary numbers. In the second row I will write positional values. Okay, so after writing the binary numbers, this same binary numbers will get written over here. So it will 1 1 0 1 0 and then 1 1. Okay, after this you are going to write the base value and the power to that. So we will start from the extreme right side. So it will become 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, and so on till 2 to the power 7. Okay, after getting this, we are going to multiply the values. You can start from here also, you can start from here also, the result will get same. So what I will do, I will start from here. In this case you can start from there. So here what I will do, it will become 1 into 2 to the power 7, 1 into 2 to the power 6, 0 into 2 to the power 5, 1 into 2 to the power 4, this one, 0 into 2 to the power 3, 1 into 2, and so on till 1 into 2 to the power 0. Okay, after this we are going to use the BODMAS rule. According to BODMAS rule, if multiply and plus is there, so we will do multiplication first and then addition. So what I will do, I will do the multiplication here. 1 into 2 to the power 7, it means that we have to multiply 2 7 times. So when I am going to multiply 2 7 times, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 3 5 6 and 7. Okay, so when I am going to multiply this 2 7 times, what will be the answer? I will get 128. How? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, and 64 2s are 128. So this way the value will be 1 into 128. Okay, then again plus, and then again 2 to the power 6, it will become 64. So 1 into 64. 2 to the power 5 is 32, then 0 into 32, then 1 into 16, 0 into 8, 1 into 4, 1 into 2, 1 into 1. After this again we are going to multiply these values. So 1 into 128, it will become 128. Okay, straightforward. This will become 64. Now here when we are going to multiply 0 into 32, it will become 0. Okay, so we are going to write 0 over here. 1 into 16, 16. This will become 0, this will become 4, this will become 2, and this 1. After getting this, we are going to simply add the values. Okay, so when you will add these values, you will get 215, and therefore this binary value will get the answer, or will get the decimal value as 215. So 215 is the answer of this particular binary digit. Okay, understood? In the same way we can perform this particular task as well. So I hope you will try this particular task and solve it and check what is the result. Okay, thank you.